no. We don't want fingerprints all over it. Let's not touch it and wipe it all down.